Magnifying glass, please.
Magnifying glass.
Thank you. Is your wing sore right now? I see. What time of day is it when your wing does feel sore?
Birdie draw.
That's a great idea. So it looks like your wing is sore when you get out of bed in the morning? Is that right, Birdie?
It also looks like you're a very good artist.
It's true. I think we're getting closer. Birdie, can you tell me what position you're in when you sleep? Would you like Juno to help you answer the question? Oh, I think I've got it. My diagnosis is your wing is sore when you wake up in the morning because you sleep on it.
Oh, of course. Thank you for solving that mystery, Vida.
And thank you for being so brave, Birdie. Oh, and when you go to bed, try sleeping on your back. You're all better, you're all done. Now go out and have some fun.
With Juno. You didn't get your lollipop, Birdie. And you'll be pleased to learn that I remembered Juno said your favorite flavor is worm.
Actually, my favorite flavor is seed.
What? I can't believe it! Seed like seed!
Yes.
Vida, did you hear that? He likes seed! Wooly, did you hear that? Seed! Seed! Seed!
That's no surprise. Fun fact, birds get a lot of their energy from seeds because they're so nutritious. Oh, thank you.
And you know, if you like seed, there's more where that came from. Want these too?
I think one lollipop is enough for now.
Don't worry, Birdie. Next time you come back, you can get another one.
We'll definitely have them.
Thanks for helping me, Vida. Anytime, Birdie. Anytime. Fun fact, bacteria can grow on plants, animals, and people.
Phew, good to know. Also, what's bacteria?
Bacteria are tiny germs, and sometimes they can be smelly. I'll show you. I just have to collect a sample and take a closer look. Here, look through the microscope.
Oh, hi.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, they seem nice. So why do they smell?
Well, when bacteria mixes with sweat, like the sweat between your toes, it makes a cheese smell. But don't worry, you can wash them off, and I'll show you how to make sure they don't come back.
Oh, thanks, Vida. I'm ready to learn.
That's great, Otto, because when you sweat, bacteria can grow between your toes. Ew. They'll smell like cheese, but watch with ease. You'll keep them smelling like a rose. Wash your feet and your toes, underneath and in between. La, 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 la. Dry your feet and your toes. Now you got it nice and clean. Next is socks, clean and dry. Pick them out and put them on. Choose the shoes and say bye-bye, because your smelly problem's gone.
Yay, my smelly problem's gone.
Bye-bye, bacteria. Bye-bye. Aw.
Thank you, Vida. I'm so happy my feet don't smell anymore, because I've got to get back to the picnic.
Yes, yes, we all do. So let's go! They're still picnic food, right? Please tell me you still love picnic food. Now you're speaking my language, baby mouse.
Otto, just the bear I've been waiting for. Mind if I smell your feet again?
Smell away.
Flowers? Ugh, your feet smell like flowers.
Oh, thanks again, Vida, for my awesome smelling feet.
My pleasure, Otto.
Wait. I still smell something smelly.
Oh, that's probably my cheese. Cheese, of course.
Cheesy.
Do you feel dizzy?
No. Is that bad?
Have you been drinking a lot of water today?
Yes. Is that bad?
Nope, that's good. Too much sun can dry out your body and make you feel tired or dizzy. We want to make sure you're not dehydrated and that your body has all the water it needs to keep you feeling good.
I thought sunscreen was my middle name. But actually, it's just Theodore.
Aw, don't worry. I'll treat your sunburn with some aloe.
Aloe!
What's aloe?
It's a gel that comes from the aloe vera plant.
It'll soothe your skin and help it feel better in a few days.
I can't believe I forgot to put on sunscreen. Every time I was about to do it, something fun distracted me. Oh.
Aw, don't be too hard on yourself, Tibbet. Everybody gets distracted by fun sometimes. That's why I make sure to take care of the important things right away. Everybody likes fun, everybody likes play, so remember this advice and you'll be a-okay. To keep a happy day from winding up at the worst, take care of the important stuff first.
When the sun's shining down and the day's getting hotter, it's hard to stop the fun to grab a little drink of water.
But listen to your body and remember your thirst. Take care of the important stuff first.
I know what you mean. When the bathroom is calling, but you don't want to stop.
Don't stay and play till you're ready to pop. Don't wait until you're feeling like you just might burst.
Take care of the important stuff first.
So remember, don't forget to get the order reversed. Prepare, be aware, and take care of the important stuff first. Oh, take care of the important stuff first.
Yeah! Thank you so much, Vida. I will definitely take that advice. But what if I do forget? How can I make absolutely positively sure I remember?
I've got a great idea. Be right back.
Huh?
You can use this timer. Set it whenever you put on sunscreen, and when it goes off, you'll always remember to put more on.
It's the perfect plan. Thanks, Vida. Tidbit Theodore Turtle is the sunscreen king again.
Ice lollies for everyone!
Hooray! Hat for your head,
Any color works, but I choose red.
a scarf for your neck,
I'll be feeling cozy in a sec.
a sweater for your chest,
Remember it when you get dressed.
and that's how you keep your body warm.
And that's all?
No way! A jacket, zip it up,
Can you ask for help with zipping? Yep.
mittens,
For your hands.
And gloves can also be for hands.
boots,
For your feet.
and now your winter gear's complete. And that's how you keep your body warm. Yeah! That's how you keep your body warm.
Bundle up and cozy, toasty warm.
And there's one other way. Hi, Coco!
Yes, yes.
Please. This is yummy and warms my paws. I'm feeling better already.
If everyone's roasty and toasty again, maybe we should try out our new snow fort? Yay! Are you sure you're completely warm now? You shouldn't go back outside if you're still chilly.
Toasty warm. good to go back out in the cold. But can you sing me that better song first?
Sure. You're all better, you're all done. Now go out and have some fun. Forgetting something?
Oh, yeah. Do you and Popcorn want to come outside and play with us?
No more patience today. Then yes, yes. But are you forgetting anything else?
Oh, yeah. I definitely need mittens. And maybe a hat. And a scarf.
I got you covered, Zigzag. Hat, scarf.
And do you have a puffy coat? And thermal socks? And boots?
Yes, yes, and yes.
You were right, Vida. Staying warm while you play in the cold is the best way to play in the cold.
I hope everybody's ready for snow tag.
On your marks,
Get set, wait. What? I need a snack. Ooh. Delish. Now I'm ready. Let's go. Over here. Hide behind the fort. Ask your friends who want to teach you. That's what friendship is for.
but skating is just so brand new. I really don't know what to do. I might wobble, I might slip. Get too chilly, I could trip. And who is gonna help me when I fall and wanna try again? Ice is slippy, ice is slidey. I need experts who can guide me.
Ask your friends and you'll have so much fun with what you have in store. Ask your friends and they will teach you.
They will teach me?
Yes, I'm sure. Ask your friends, 'cause that's what friendship is for.
Thanks, Vida. I'm gonna go ask my friends for help.
Sounds great, Prickly.
Okay.
I promise this one's mine.
Ask my friends. 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 I mean, I want to skate.
Woohoo! It's about time!
Put on those skates. Wait. I want to skate, but I don't know how. I didn't know how to tell you. Will you teach me? It's okay if you don't want to.
Of course we want to. That's what friends are for. Tidbit's the one who taught me how to skate.
Really?
Yeah, everyone's gonna learn somehow. And don't worry, we've got plenty of time before the big skate.
I've got the best friends. Whoa.
Whoa!
I think you're ready, Prickly.
It's the Sweetwood Winter Skate!
Wow, it's amazing. Love your moves.
Mine? Thanks!
Look at you. You're skating on the ice and you're doing great.
I know. You were right, Vida. My friends were happy to teach me because that's what friends are for. But wait, where's Popcorn?
Okay, this is seriously the last one.
I knew there was something special about these ears. They can't be this big for nothing.
It can be hard to think straight when there are loud noises everywhere.
Exactly. You get it, Vida. But does this mean I can't go see the marching band?
No way. You love music, so I'm going to find a way to help you enjoy it.
Yay!
Here, jump in my pocket. It'll be quieter in there.
That's already a little better.
Introducing the amazing triangle stylings of Maestro. We're back. Oh.
Thank goodness Vida found you.
Yep, she did.
And I have something for him.
Are you all right, mijo?
Yep, Vida helped me figure out what was wrong.
My diagnosis is Sunny is sensitive to loud noises, and I have just the thing to help.
EarMuffs. Vida, my ears aren't cold. And besides, it's not winter.
These earmuffs aren't for the cold. They're for noise. They make everything a little quieter.
Even music?
Yep, give them a try.
Can somebody make some noise? These are perfect, Vida. Thank you. Yay!
Thank you.
Music loud or music low. With earmuffs, you'll enjoy the show.
Come on, everybody. Let's go see the Sweetwood Marching Band. Just in case they need me to play.
Oh, that's your cue, Sunny.
Yay! I love marching bands. Hey, Popcorn, you ready? Nailed it! Hey, Beaky! Hurry, Beaky! Okay, help is on the way. Vida needs a vet. And I know just what to do because the vet tech helps the vet. And her patients will help too. Our vet Vida's always there to offer help and give us care. But Vida took a tiny trip, so vet and patient have to flip.
I thought I could power through it, but my ankles hurt.
Oh, Vida and you.
We're here for you, don't be upset. Sometimes a vet just needs a vet. Vida needs some help. Helpers sometimes need help too. So let's help Vida, Vida the vet. We will take great care of you.
Thanks, everyone.
Ready to go home?
I'm ready. Thanks, friends.
Now that Vida's the patient, she needs a lollipop. But I still haven't guessed her favorite flavor. Vida's favorite flavor is a fruit with a peel, so round it can roll down a hill, and a color I could see right in front of me. Ha-ha! Got it! This way. Easy does it.
Wow, thank you all for taking such great care of me.
Our pleasure.
Of course.
We learned from you. You always take the best care of all of us.
Wait! There's one lollipop left.
Oh no, I thought we finished helping every patient in Sweetwood.
Except you. And I'm pretty sure I figured out your favorite flavor. Orange. You glad I'm a good lollipop giver outer?
Orange, my favorite. You guessed it, Popcorn.
Boom! Let's get you home.
Bye. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks, everyone. Bye. Bye.
Feel better.
See you later.
Well, Vida. Take care, Vida. Ooh, ah.
Aw. Let's get you to a doctor.
How'd you know?
Dads and papas always know.
Teething is when a baby's teeth are coming in. The teeth pop through the baby's gums, and that can make them feel uncomfortable.
Oh, Mama, did I teeth?
You sure did. And all 18 of your teeth came in beautifully.
Yep. And fun fact, unlike people and a lot of other animals, mice only have one set of teeth their whole lives.
Wow, these are my teeth for life.
Okay, Vida. So how can we help Baby Mouse feel better?
Stop crying.
Quickly, please. I don't know how much more of this we can take.
Well, when a baby's teething, biting something cold can help. I think I know just the thing. Don't worry, Baby Mouse. I'll have you feeling better in 1, 2, 3. Popcorn, will you please grab a teething ring out of the freezer? Extra, extra small.
Hurry!
Please.
Oh, I can hurry. I can hurry fast. I'll be back before you know it. Fast Vet Tech coming through. Woohoo! Ta-da!
You did it, Vida and Popcorn.
Oh, thanks, Popcorn.
Anytime.
Thanks, Vida.
You're very welcome.
And coochie, 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 coo.
You're all better, you're all done. Now go out and have some fun. Looks like we've got some babysitting to do.
Aren't you glad I had my roller skates on today, Vida?
Mm-hmm.
Me too. And I don't know if you noticed, but I really improved. I can even do this. Whoa, whoa, I meant to do that. I guess I'm not the best skater.
Not yet. But you are the best vet tech. And my best friend.
This never happened when we built the sand beast. Yeah, that wasn't slippery at all.
It was just Sandy. Of course, I've got it.
Oh, no you don't. These are mine and they're for sleeping.
Not pillows, sand. Follow me, everyone. I've got a plan.
So you want us to just play in the sand instead?
Okay. Not quite. See, the ice is super smooth, which makes it slippery. Watch out!
We noticed. Ugh.
Is everyone okay? The ice is slippery, but the sand is gritty and rough, which makes it, well, not slippery at all. See?
Whoa!
Vida dance!
So now we can play in the snow.
And finish the snow beast.
Right now! Come on, everyone. Let's sand up Sweetwood!
Sounds like a plan.
The snow dusted scene, so soft and serene, looks exciting, inviting, and nice.
But hid just below all that powdery snow is a slippery layer of ice.
And we've gotten so tired of slipping and falling down flat on our ends.
I had honestly thought about skipping, building the beast with my friends.
But thanks to our trusty vet Vida,
I'll slick.
We've gotten a grip
By covering Sweetwood with sand. Now this puts the
Win!
in winter and turns every frown to a grin. No slip, trip, or bump.
Need bruise up your rump.
You need tails or your shin.
Yes, this puts the
Win!
in winter. So it's winter for the win.
We did it! It's alive!
Yeah! We did it! Good job putting sand around the snow beast, Juno. No way we'd be able to hold this pose without it.
Juno no put sand here. Sunny did.
Wasn't me. That was Zigzag's job.
First I heard of it.
So if no one put sand down,
What are we standing on? Gotta love this pillow. I'll do it! Yes, popcorn! Now that's what I'm talking about. This pollen is gonna be gone in 1, 2, achoo! Achoo! Uh-oh.
Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Think it's working?
Do not go out there.
Achoo! Achoo!
Achoo!
Hey, Vida, you're not sneezing at the pollen. I think that means
Your magic.
Yay! Achoo!
No, I think it's because she doesn't have pollen allergies. Vida, can you go out and get rid of the pollen?
Well, pollen from flowers helps plants grow, so it wouldn't be good for someone with big hands like mine to try to collect pollen. Because if I hurt the flowers, other plants won't grow.
Like the fruits and veggies in Mama Mouse's garden?
Exactly. I'm sorry, everyone.
So we need someone who's small. And isn't allergic to pollen.
Right.
The bees!
Looks like we need some
Need some bees!
to gather pollen up with these. All that pollen will feed some bees.
and then we won't itch, cough, or sneeze.
Idea so good. Achoo! Hi, bees. Hey, Vida. Need some honey? Need some pollen? Need me to teach you how to do this? Maybe later. Do you think you can help us out and collect pollen from all the flowers in the tree? I think it's the perfect spot for your next pollen run. Yeah, that does look good. We're in. Line 'em up, team.
Hey, I think I feel better already.
Me too. Oh, yep.
Great work, bees. Thank you. Beautiful job, everyone.